Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you reset your Bosch dishwasher. So here's a complete step-by-step error reset and to troubleshoot. Step 1. Perform a soft reset via the Start button. Locate the physical Start button on your control panel, which often has Reset 3 seconds printed underneath it. Press and hold the Start button down continuously for exactly 3 seconds. Watch for the digital timer display to instantly change to 1 0 1 seconds to 0 seconds, or look for the clean light to start flashing. Step 2. Allow the internal drain pump to run. Close the dishwasher door completely if your model features hidden controls integrated on the top lip of the door. Listen for the motor sound as the dishwasher runs its emergency automated drain cycle for exactly 60 seconds. Wait until the ticking drain noise stops entirely and a confirmation chime sound signaling that all residual water has been cleared. Step 3. Power down the machine. Open the door and press the physical power button to turn the control display completely off. Let the machine sit idle for 10 seconds to allow the internal program memory circuit to reset. Press the power button again, select a brand new wash cycle and press start to resume your normal operation. Step 4. Execute a hard power reset. Skip to this step if your control panel touch keys are completely frozen, unresponsive, or logged out. Unplug the dishwasher's main power cord from the wall outlet beneath the sink, or flip its dedicated breaker switch to off at your home's electrical fuse panel. Leave the power completely disconnected for at least 5 minutes to drain residual electricity from the main control board capacitors. Turn the power breaker back on or plug the cord in to cleanly reboot the dishwasher's operating system. Step 5. Deactivate the child lock, which is the CL or the key icon. Look at the display for a flashing CL error code or a small key icon which indicates the safety lock is active and blocking button inputs. Press and hold the info button, which would be in I, or the speed perfect button for 3 to 5 seconds on premium models. Alternatively, if your model has physical keys, press and hold the plus and the minus buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds until the key symbol vanishes. Step 6. Clear water and censored error codes, which is E15, E22, or E24. You can resolve your E15. It is basically due to water in base or leak detected. Shut off your water supply line, pull the dishwasher out, and tilt it backward at a 45-degree angle to drain water from the bottom pan before performing a power reset. The E22 and E24 is due to drain block. You can resolve it by unclipping the internal cylindrical mesh filters inside the tub floor. Remove the small white plastic pump covers plastic, clear out any trapped seeds or glass pieces, and then manually spin the black pump impeller to ensure it rotates freely. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.